I'm going to show you how to draw ears. Well, let's take a look at the structure of the ear first. Now, there are a lot of folds and skin that seem to fit together in a random way here. Now, let me describe them. This in green is the rim. This is the outermost contour of the ear and it folds over on itself, forming the shape of the ear. Now, here in blue is called as the Y bump. Now, this is the main part of cartilage that wraps around the following rim's contour. Now, you will see a little that sticks out from the ear as well. Now, this in yellow is called as the cavity. Well, right below the Y bump is the cavity, and that leads to the ear canal. Now, when thinking of this part, I sometimes think of it as a crater. Yeah, so cut. Now, this here is called as the nub. This is the part that covers the half of the ear canal. Now, down here in red is called as the earlobe. Now, this is a hanging piece of skin from the ear. It is sometimes connected to the skin of the head as well, sometimes. Now, let's look at the location of the ear. So, as you can see, it starts from the brow line and ends at the base of the nose, like the part in pink. Now, let's draw the ear in the front view. So, here we've got the jawline. Now, let's draw the ear. So, we've got this shape here. Okay, let's first just draw this oval shape. Now let's shape the ear. So this goes in like that, and then like that, and this is the earlobe. So that is the shape of the ear. 1 second. Yeah. So that's the shape of the ear. Now let's draw the inner detail. So we've got this part. Okay, it's like that. There you go. Yeah. Now we've got this part. Now ears can vary from person to person, so it's up to you how you want to draw these shapes. Well, the shapes are common, but you can variate it. Yeah. Now we just have to give shadows. So we can give a shadow there. It's just really rough. Let's draw these lines darker so we know where. So we can differentiate between the shadows and the lines. Yeah. And there'll be a bit of skin stretching towards the ear there. Now it's up to you if you want to do the shadows or not. It's totally your choice. I've skipped to the end and now I finished the ear. That's all the shading that's needed. So we're done with the front view of the ear. Now let's move on to the side view. Okay, so here I've got the side view of the head roughly drawn. Doesn't really matter. So here's the jawline. Now in the side view it's a little tilted, so will our ear be. So let's draw the shape of the ear. Just the basic shape. Yeah, that. In this part here, goes into the Y lobe. And that just goes there. Yeah, so again you can just shade it there in a few places. Let's draw this little darker. Shade it in like that. Yeah, so that's the ear in the side view. Now let's draw the ear in the back view. So this is pretty easy. So we draw two lines like that and just a curved line. Yeah. Now we draw the outer rim of the ear like that and just another line pretty much following it. Here it will be kind of, there'll be kind of corner here. Follow that shape. The ear lobe. Yeah. Now the Y lobe will be popping on a little bit there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The back view. It's very easy. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this video has been useful. If you got value out of this video, please consider subscribing. So this video is a part of a 9-video series I'm doing on anatomy. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the next video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.